You gotta find the slope.
What's that?
You gotta find the slope, son.
Gotta find the slope.
What do you use?
Here we go.
Derivatives, the slope of a curve. We spit in these rhymes, about to get swerved. Getting our learn on with Ms. Berg now. Let me drop another fly word.
You got x squared, let me find the slope. You know what it'd work?
Power rule be dope.
Now what's that rule, you asking, son? It's n times x
To the n minus 1.
Let's plug in a function, you know what to do. Let x equal x and n equal 2. Coefficient of 2, exponent of 1. You got 2x, now we're having fun.
What happens if x squared has a friend? Let's take x cubed plus 1 and to x squared append. We use a little thing called the product rule. It's time to get a little education, fool. If we got f times g, then you take f prime. Multiply by g, and now it's a crime. Still, you gotta add on the rest. Guess what?
It's g prime times f.
Now back to the problem, here we go. X cubed plus 1 times x
To the dose.
Using power rule, f prime's 3x squared, g prime's 2x. Now don't be scared, f prime times g gives 3x to the foe. G prime times f is 2x plus 2x to the foe. Add them together, it ain't complex. The derivative is 5x to the foe plus 2x.
Derivatives, the slope of a curve. We spit in these rhymes, about to get swerved. Getting our learn on with Ms. Berg now. Let me drop another fly word.
When you divide one function by another, what is the rule?
Just ask a brother.
We got a little rhyme to help you out. When you see division, no need to shout. Goes low d high minus high d low. Just square the bottom and away we go. Plug an x to the 3 over x to the 2 plus 1. The quotient rule will help get it done. X squared plus 1 times 3x squared. Subtract x cubed times 2x over x squared plus 1 squared. Multiply and collect like terms. I be spitting calc fire. Try not to get burned. X to the 4th plus 3x squared all over x squared plus 1, and all of that squared. Now you know some derivative laws. In no time you gon' be a math boss.
There's one more thing, it's called chain rule. Let's take a quick swim in the calculus pool. When you have one function inside of another, it's gotta give birth like a
Mathematics mother.
Start with the derivative of the outside, then take the dx inside, multiply it. Now try an example, it'll go quick. Nadav and me both got a big
Brain.
sine of x squared, we go and get the slope. Francis, my main man, is currently the Pope. Cosine x squared is not the end. You gotta use chain rule to extend. Multiply by 2x. It's that simple. We ain't nerds, ain't got no pimples. 2x cosine x squared is the solution. Calc is blowing up
Like the French Revolution. Derivatives, the slope of a curve. We spit in these rhymes, about to get swerved. Getting our learn on with Ms. Berg now. Let me drop another fly word.
Now gotta spit a verse dedicated to the homie.
Best teach out there, some would even call her holy.
She ain't Dr. Berg, no she ain't Dr. Eisen.
Talking class, she
Don't
gonna beat you like Tyson.
She teaching up in front, can hear everybody talking.
Who's that at the door? It's Mr. Calculus knocking.
From the 92120 to the 90095.
Came back to the 30, JA is where she thrives.
We love you, Miss Berg, everyone is saying.
Your teacher again. Everyone is praying.
You may have taught slopes, but we learned so much more.
AP Calc AB is the class we adore.
Can't wait to arrive, see your smiling face.
Or have you wait for us, cause we're 10 minutes late.
From your colorful notes to the lack of mosquitoes.
Everything you do is neato burrito.
Derivatives, the slope of a curve. We spit in these rhymes, about to get swerved. Getting our learn on with Ms. Berg now. Let me drop another fly word. Derivatives, the slope of a curve. We spit in these rhymes, about to get swerved. Getting our learn on with Ms. Berg now. Let me drop another fly word.